Morning guys, in front of me is Motorola Moto G54 Power, and let me show you how to check total screen time. First of all, open the settings, then find and select Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. And here you've got some general statistics. If you'll tap on it again, you can gain more knowledge. Just scroll a bit, and here you've got all data regarding particular apps and the usage time on each day. You can check it daily or weekly, actually daily or hourly, sorry. Or you can check notifications received, times opened, whatever is more important to you. Or obviously you can check it all. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up.